Hello, and welcome to our video lesson on calculating the minimum sample size. In order to calculate a minimum sample size, we have to know what confidence interval we're working with, what the population standard deviation is, and what our error is. So, in this example, our population standard deviation is 18, and we want to find the minimum sample for 90% confidence interval to be within 5. The word within is the same as the word error. So error is 5. Let's put it together. So we're going to do 1.645 times the standard deviation, which is 18, divided by 5. Whoops, let me do that. There we go. And then we're going to raise everything to a power of 2. And let's punch that in the calculator. And if you do, your answer is going to end up being 35.070084. A crazy decimal. Well, here's the thing. Sample size must be whole numbers. And also, this is important, we always round up. So the answer is going to be 36. I know what you're thinking. Well, you're thinking, well, the number next to the decimal is 0, so shouldn't it just be 35? No. When doing sample size, you have to round up to the next whole number 100% of the time. Even if your answer was 35.000000000001, you still got to round up to 36. You always got to round up, no matter what happens. All right. Now that that's settled, let's do some more examples. Here we go. Given that the population standard deviation is 13, what is the minimum sample size necessary for a 90% confidence interval to be within 4? Well, let's put things in. First of all, 90% confidence means z is 1.645. The standard, they're always going to tell you it's 13. Then they said within 4. So right now, this is what we're kind of up against. Let's put that in the calculator to see what happens. And if you put it in the calculator, you're going to get 28.58. Whoops. But remember, we have to round up. So the real answer, after we round up, is 29. Just like that. All right, let's do the next one. It says, given that the population standard is 34, what is the minimum sample size necessary for 95% to be within 7? Well, 95%, the z-score is 1.96, times the standard, which is 34, divided by the error, which is 7. All right. And yes, we are going to square that. And we are going to put this in the calculator. And if you put it in the calculator, it becomes 90.63. But don't forget, we must round up. Round up. So the answer is 91. All right, excellent. Let's do one more. Given that a population standard deviation is 82, find the minimum sample size necessary for a 99% confidence to be no more than 15. Sometimes when they say no more than, that's like error as well. It's another way of saying it. So we're going to do 99% has a z-score of 2.575 times the standard, which is 82, then divide 15. All right, we will square it, and we will put that in the calculator. Let's see what it is. It's equal to 198.15. But don't forget, we have to round up. And if you round up, our answer is going to be 199. And that's how you do sample size. Very simple. So this takes care of everything that you learned in Chapter 6. So you should be able to complete all the Chapter 6 homework. Also, Test 3 is going to be half Chapter 6, half Chapter 7. So right now, you know how to do half of Test 3. So tune into more videos and you can learn how to do the Chapter 7 material. Thank you and have a great day.